I can't believe you found them.
Then right here.
I see that one, yeah.
There's one right there. You see it?
Yep. Good job, baby.
Ah, we got both.
Nice. All right, we're out here looking for mushrooms. Before I even got into the woods, I literally was standing on the edge of the woods, and I told Ashley that last year when I was here, everything that we found, they were really, really dark morels. And as soon as I looked down in my boots before I was even in the woods, I don't know if you guys can see, we found one little one in there, right on the edge of the woods. So we're just walking nice and easy and looking very carefully because, like I said, they were real dark last year. Oh, there's one. My counter is 2, Ash 0.
Whatever, bro.
Oh, there's one more. Small one.
Yeah, I think they like that face of the hill.
You're on the same face. They say they like, I think, south-facing hills, which we're facing like southwest, but oh, this one's got a big stem on it. Yeah, sucker. He's broke off already.
85 golf balls.
That looks like my ding dong, babe.
Yeah.
Another one.
What the fuck?
Alright, so we found 4, and they were kind of small, and that's it so far. We are going to check another spot. Don't know if there will be any there or not, but I think we're going to move out of here and take a look. These ones, we found 4, and they were crazy scattered apart. And we've been looking around for like, I don't know, 45 minutes in the same area, and haven't found a single another one. So I think we're going to move on. We don't get a whole lot of daylight left today. We'll be right back. As soon as I said that, I took about 10 steps and I found 2 more. They're very small. Oh, a couple more actually. One. Very hard to see. Alright, so we're going to test my theory, and we're going to keep this little guy here. And I meant to do this last year, but we're going to put like the stick in the ground near it, and I'm going to put this bag on it, and I'm going to come back in a few days and see how much it's grown, see what's up with that, as long as nothing eats it. Hopefully nothing eats it. Yeah, there you go. You'll play with it a little bit, you know?
Yeah, like
from time to time.
Oh, you know, if you just flick it enough, it'll flick
Yeah,
right
you
off.
don't want to play too vigorous with that thing.
I'm an aggressive
Did your daddy ever
person.
tell you nothing?
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah, there is.
Here.
I see it. Let me zoom. There it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, 3 more. Stick your finger in it, see if it's warm.
Oh, yeah. I'll get right on that. You know what's funny, though, is this is the first area that I walked through.
When? Today?
First got here.
Oh, yeah.
Because I came down this side of that tree,
Yeah.
like down through these blue flowers and stuff, I didn't see anything.
Yep.
Now they're just
I told you, once you get the eye for it, you got them. But they have to be there. You know what I mean? That's what I was saying about this hill to that hill over there. Like, if the spores aren't there, in my opinion, in my experience, they're not going to grow. You could find this spot, you know, that looks like pristine area and then nothing. And then sometimes I find them in rocky, sandy soil with wide open sun growing. I'm like, what the hell? There's one. You know what I mean? Like, this hill's That's clear underneath brush and stuff, you know, and we're facing the total opposite direction of that hill where we just found them all.
This is my favorite spot on the hill, I think.
Out looking for some more morels today and some ramps. Found some ramps today. So far, we're trying to find a new morel spot, but I kind of knew a general area where these ramps grow every year, so found a couple there. Just used my knife and tilled them up a little bit, cut them off. And get a couple more. There's a bunch grow down through here. There's more all the way down the hill. Alright, I should have brought a, you know, last year I think I brought an axe or a hatchet or something, a little shovel or something like that, but I'll just loosen them up. Loosen the dirt up so I can see the base of them a little bit. So right there. These ones are kind of small today. Good enough for breakfast for tomorrow.
I don't want to step on any if they're here and hidden.
I can't believe you found them.
Then right here.
I see that one, yeah.
There's one right there. You see it?
Yep. Good job, baby.
Ah, we got both.
Nice. We just came out of the woods picking ramps, and she just spotted them. Awesome.
Oh.
Let's look around some more through here.
Hell yeah, brother.
See.
Sorry.
Nice, baby.
Yes.
Good job. All right, I brought Josh out here to my one spot and where we were last time when I talked to you guys. This is probably going to be a mesh in the same video because I did a little more research. I've only been hunting morels for like 4 or 5 years now, and as far as the spores go, everybody says use the onion sacks. I would go ahead and say that you're better off just going with the sacks, in my opinion. I mean, I don't know. I've watched some videos of spores actually releasing, like at people's homes after they bring them home and stuff. So I don't know if they do, you know, when you're carrying them around the woods after you pick them or not. My allergies are going crazy. I don't have the corona. I don't know. I didn't know what the spores look like, but it's you know, thousands of them that come out of one mushroom when they do release. Now, the research that I looked up is that, you know, that they naturally release. Some say that, you know, by the time that they're matured, that they've already released their spores, or I have no idea. But I've seen videos of them being on people's countertops and other things and releasing spores, and you can see it covering their countertop. So that's obviously not exactly true, but I'd say you're better off going with the onion sack deal. But either way you do it, you know, you're taking them from the woods, and if they haven't released spores yet, they're going to lose out on a chance to repopulate that area either way. So I would say your best bet is to at least leave a couple in each area that you go to. Every season I would leave a couple. Like if you find a patch of 7, maybe leave 1. I don't know, it's up to you guys to make that decision, but we're out here today. The one that I marked last time over there, I'll show you guys. It's probably 5 days later, and where's it at? Right here. Let me see if you can see that. It did not make it. It's died off pretty much. So it was small when I found it 5 days ago, still small, and now it's dead. So I guess I should have picked it, but either way, hopefully it'll repopulate this area and keep it going. This year I found more than I did last year, but last year was the first time that I found this area. This year I got to comb it over a little bit more, but we're gonna go ahead and keep looking around, and we'll be back in a little bit. A few more today. You can see him sucking with this front facing camera. Anyhow.
There's more right there, right in front.
Yep, there's 2 more right up there. Out here again, brought old Davey for a scavenge. Found another new patch this year. Hell yeah, good deal. All right guys, we finished up for today. We found a decent amount, not a ton, They're smaller ones. Every time I get them at this spot, they're always dark like that, like these ones here. Yesterday we have like 4 more at the house that we found yesterday. They're bigger, tanner looking ones, but every year they're like, I went early this year too, and they're half like dried up, and like the bugs are eating the top of them a little bit. And but anyhow, that's good enough for us, just me and Ash. And we're gonna take them back to the house, clean them up, soak them for a little bit, fry them up in some butter probably, and eat them with some leftover deer burgers. Catch you guys next time. Peace.